Hey everyone, my name is Ryan, and today I'm going to show you how I created my Minimalist iPad Pro workspace. This is my wish list for my dedicated iPad Pro workspace. I want my setup to be minimal. If you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I'm a fan of minimalist aesthetics. I also want the setup to be ergonomic so that I can spend extensive amounts of time doing focused and creative work. And finally, I want the workspace to be conducive to productivity, a setup that gets me into flow. No distractions, just the essentials. And that's my wish list. So without further ado, let's create this workspace. The first step is to find a stand to place the iPad close to eye level. I'm using the iPad desk stand by Heckler Design. For me, it is important to keep the display at eye level to minimize neck and shoulder strain. Second, we have the star of the show, the iPad. I got the 2020 iPad Pro with a gorgeous 12.9-inch display. While the iPad Pro allows for multitasking and multiple windows, I really enjoy just having one app open at a time. It allows me to focus on what matters most. I've also decided to use an external keyboard. I'm using the Apple Magic Keyboard. It offers a good typing experience and is very portable too. Optionally, you can also use an external mouse or trackpad. iPadOS now has full mouse and trackpad support. I'm using my Apple Magic Trackpad. Since more of us are working from home these days, we certainly want to be considerate to those around us. It really helps to use headphones for conference calls and listening to music. I'm using my Apple AirPods 2 with the wireless charging case. And last but not least, we need a cool mug with delicious mint tea. As a software developer, I absolutely love this mug. And that's my iPad Pro workspace. It is such a joy being creative and productive using this setup, and I really enjoy making these videos sharing my workspace and talking about gear. And so if you'd like to see more of my content, give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss out.